Okay, this is how I print the banners. So if you start off at Walgreens, you're just going to make sure you go to the photo homepage, and then you'll see something right here that says posters. And then we have standard, adhesive, vinyl, business. You can either do the vinyl or the standard. And here's our options. So I choose upload your own design. And even when you're here, you can still switch it to vinyl. I love their vinyl. It works really well. So I've only done the 2x6, which is the size that's included with your images. And then the banner paper is an option also. And I highly recommend looking for coupons because I don't usually pay full price. There's also this option. And then I would just also check that this is available as same day, because the ones near me, the Walgreens near me, they need more than a few days to do this size. But this one near me is always available and they're pretty quick. So you can choose either one of these. I haven't done adhesive yet, but maybe one day. So if we're just doing this regular one, we just click create now, and then it's going to ask if you want to sign in or if you want to do your upload your own photos. So I'm just going to upload my photos and we'll just say done. And then it's all set up in there. So then I'll just add this to the project, and there we go. And we just hit review order. If it says something about it being blurry, it shouldn't, but I've proceeded with things and it's usually fine. And you just hit review order, and you can always put your, it'll ask if you want other things, and you can put your address, obviously, and everything in if you want it shipped or if you want pickup. Hopefully that helps and makes sense, and I'm excited. Please tag me if you end up doing any banners.